Hey everyone, it's Zach from Quick Tech Videos, and today we have a preview of OS X El Capitan. Now keep in mind that this is beta software, so it's not going to run quite as well as the official version would. First off is Split View. Split View lets you snap two applications to either side of the screen, and so that you can work on both at the same time. It's a nice way to organize your windows. It also creates a separate space for it in Mission Control. Mission Control is also the next thing that got updated by Apple. This time around, that bar at the top that holds all of your desktops and full screen applications now auto hides whenever your mouse is not on top of it. That's really nice if you have a smaller MacBook like a 13-inch or that new 12-inch one, or even an 11-inch MacBook Air. This helps save screen real estate, which can be very precious. Next up is Spotlight, which got new sources and now includes natural language search, so you can type in things like documents I worked on last week, and it'll bring up stuff that you worked on last week. It also includes results for weather, stocks, and transit information. So if you type in like weather in Cupertino, it'll bring up the weather in Cupertino within the Spotlight window. That's really nice. Next up is Mail, which got full screen improvements. It now renders better and everything's better laid out, so it's easier to use. It also got swipe gestures, which I know was on iOS, and I think this time around they've improved it so that you can better sort out your mail quickly. Next up is Safari, which got quite a few new features that I enjoy very much. The mute all tabs is very nice, along with the sound indicator, which shows which tab is making sound at the current moment. Mute all tabs is kind of self-explanatory. It'll mute all the sound from all the tabs in Safari, which is really nice, for when you're browsing the web and things pop up that automatically start playing and make noise when you're in like the library or something. Safari also now includes pin tabs, so you can pin a certain amount of tabs to the left side of the tab bar that are always there, so whenever you open or close Safari, they're always there and they never go away. Next up is Maps, which now includes a quite interesting feature if you live in a big city. It includes mass transit information. So if your primary way of getting around is through mass transit, this can be incredibly useful. El Capitan also includes quite a few performance upgrades, such as Metal, which is a replacement for OpenGL. Metal is said to be 50% better at graphics rendering and 40% more efficient than OpenGL. El Capitan also includes quite a few other performance features or upgrades, such as about 1.5 times faster at opening applications and 2 times faster at switching them. Overall, I really like that this time around Apple took a step back and decided to refine their operating system, but not into their operating systems, and getting them all to fit that new look that Johnny Ive created and whatnot. But I'm really happy with El Capitan so far. Preview of OS X El Capitan. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, and hit that like button if you want to see a video on the Corsair, Flash, Voyager, GS, or GTX, and subscribe for our full review of El Capitan when it comes out in the future. And if you didn't like the video, go ahead and leave a dislike. But thanks for watching our video anyways, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. If you lived it, live you live. La 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 la.